Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to another episode of my weight loss challenge. Episode 8 already. Time is going by so fast. And before we get into this week's video, there's something I want to tell you guys. This week, I reached 700 subscribers on my channel. That is super exciting and I'm very happy about that. I want to say thank you to all of you guys that are always watching my videos and commenting. I'm a little behind on my comments, replying to all of them, but I promise you I will get to them. Also, I just noticed that I'm not getting notifications when people reply to the comments. I get the notification when I get a comment, but then after I reply, if you reply back, I don't get a notification. So if anybody knows how to fix that, let me know in the comments below because I really want to reply to everybody. So let me know. Another way to contact me is through my social media. I'm on Snapchat, Facebook, and now Twitter. Instagram also. All my links to my social media are posted in the description below, so make sure to go and follow me and I will follow you back. So now that all that is out of the way, let's get into this week's episode. I'm going to tell you how I lost more than 20 pounds in 6 weeks, and we're starting right now. This was me 7 weeks ago. Let's look at the scale now. Oh my god, this is so scary. I haven't stepped on the scale for the longest time. Oh my god. Ready? Whoa. This was the beginning of my journey. Only 7 weeks ago. I hated the way I felt. I hated the way I looked. I was ashamed to be seen in public without a shirt. I needed a change. So I decided to do this 10-week challenge. Doing this 10-week challenge is holding me accountable. Week after week, I look forward to stepping on the scale and showing results. And so far, it's working out. As a matter of fact, I reached my goal in 6 weeks instead of 10. Step number 1, you have to commit. You have to set a goal, you have to make a plan, and you have to stick to it. After you know what you want to accomplish and you have a plan, you need to get to work. The first thing I did was to clean up. I got into my kitchen and got rid of everything that was bad for me. Then I went grocery shopping and got all the good foods. Back to basics. 2 of the things that are very effective for me to lose weight is intermittent fasting. I fast every single day for 16 hours and twice a week I do a 24-hour fast. And the second one is counting my calories using my FitnessPal app. If you want to know more about this app, stay tuned because in the near future I will be doing a tutorial on how to use this app. I hear a lot of stories of people that struggle to lose weight because the people that are around them are not very supportive. They always bring temptation and they make it hard for them to lose weight. A key success factor to my weight loss is that I'm surrounded by people that support the same goals that I do. I'm very grateful for Leo because he's very supportive, and for my group of friends that they all support what I do. At work, people at work also are very supportive and they're always rooting for me. I also use this amazing product that is very effective to help me control my appetite when I'm fasting, and it's also very good for weight loss, and it has a lot of benefits. Check it out.
And I drink it just like I would a soda. And it actually helps me feel full after I eat, which is definitely one of the benefits from it.
Nice. So he doesn't add sugar or anything, it's just water with apple cider. Okay, here we go. Ugh. I got this. Ugh.
You want to make sure to include the mother in what you're drinking.
You're drinking the mother. Okay. I put this, I already measured it. Yes, that was apple cider vinegar. Disgusting. But guess what? One of my friends just told me that she found them at Walmart in pills, so you don't have to taste that nastiness. So yeah, you should check it out. I always say that food is 80% of your results and exercise is the other 20. So you have to eat right no matter what. I believe that if you live an active lifestyle, it makes it a lot easier to accomplish your goals. If you find activities that keep you moving and you have fun doing it, it's a win. Besides going to the gym and going hiking, I also like to go to Zumba. I don't go very often, but for me Zumba is kind of like entertainment, you know? I like to go have fun and dance and just have a good time. So find activities that you enjoy that are not necessarily the gym or, you know, doing workouts. Make it fun. Discipline and persistence is a must. Waking up early in the morning, getting to the mountain, hiking, then going to work, then going to the gym after work, you gotta do it. No excuses. Discipline. Discipline. Persistence. Keep doing it. Keep doing it until something happens. This last 2 weeks, I've been doing something totally new for me. Something that I never thought I would try. But you know what? It's actually really good. Leo and I decided to do a vegan diet for 2 weeks. It's been 2 weeks and I think I'm gonna keep going for another week, maybe 2 more. I don't know. I'm really enjoying the food. It's very tasty and I feel really good. I notice a big difference in my energy levels and I just feel great. So, I don't know. The plan was to do it for 2 weeks, but I'm really enjoying it. So, I'm just gonna keep going. I don't know for how long. So, stay tuned. You never know. What's my secret? There's no secret. Everything that you've seen is everything I've done. And as a result, I lost 21.2 pounds in 6 weeks. My goal was to lose 20 in 10 weeks. So what's next? I'm gonna keep going. We'll see how far we get in 10 weeks. So stay tuned because it's not over yet. So now I'm going to show you my before and after. This is my 6-week transformation. I'm very proud of what I've accomplished so far. This is how we come to the end of today's episode. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe. New videos upload every Wednesday and Sunday. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one.